Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to utilize Notion on both iPhone and Android devices. We will cover everything from creating an account to navigating the app, initiating projects, and exploring various features within Notion. This beginner's guide will encompass all the essentials. If you are new to Notion, you will need to start by creating an account, which follows a standard sign-up procedure. Simply sign up, which should only take about 5 minutes, and then you will be ready to dive into Notion. When launching Notion Workspaces, your initial step involves navigating the sidebar and selecting various workspaces. To do this, locate and click on the three dots situated in the bottom left-hand corner. This action will open up the dashboard, where you can manage your projects, create new pages, and more. It is crucial to understand how many workspaces you have. You can find this information displayed at the top left corner of your Notion interface. By clicking on it, you can modify and add workspaces and accounts. Currently, I only have one account, a personal plan which is free. However, you can opt to create a work account or add another account using an email address. All these options are accessible here. For now, I will proceed with my personal plan on the free version to demonstrate. Once done, return to the Workspaces page. Here, you will notice several different workspaces listed. To begin on mobile, you will find helpful instructions located below these sections. These sections represent other projects and pages that I have included. Editing them is quite straightforward. Simply press and hold a page, then drag it to reposition it above or below other projects based on its importance. For example, if I want to move this one here, I can easily adjust its placement and revert it back if needed. Additionally, you can add a new page by tapping on Add Page, which will direct you to an entitled page. From there, you can assign a header or title as desired. Afterward, return to the left-hand side and access the hamburger menu. Your newly titled page will appear at the bottom. To manage it, simply tap on the three dots for editing and deletion options. For instance, I will delete this page since I no longer require it. As you can see, it is now removed. You can also add sub-pages by tapping the plus button, leading to a page nested within another. However, if this isn't necessary, you can simply swipe out and return to the hamburger menu. You will notice that the new page I created now displays an untitled page beneath it. Even though I made no edits, if desired, you can delete it, leaving no pages within the new project we initiated. This outlines the process of rearranging your projects and pages effectively. There are multiple ways to add pages and projects in Notion. Besides selecting Add a Page, you can also opt for a more direct approach. If you are already on a page or project and wish to add a subpage, simply navigate to the bottom right-hand corner and click on the notepad and pencil icon. This action will achieve the same result of adding a page within the main project page. If you realize you have made a mistake or don't want to proceed, you can easily cancel the operation by tapping Cancel at the top. Furthermore, you can enhance the appearance of your projects and pages by adding headers and other elements. While these options may not always be visible in the menu, you can access them by scrolling up. Here, you will find options like Add Icon, Add Cover, and Add Comment. Adding an icon allows you to upload an image. Recommended size is 280 by 280 pixels, or select from the available emojis and icons within the Notion app. Similarly, you can add a cover, which will be randomly generated initially, but can be easily customized by selecting Change Cover and choosing from various styles and images. To remove the cover or icon, simply click on Remove in the top left corner. These features, adding icons, covers, and comments, enable you to personalize each of your projects and pages to suit your preferences. Now, let us dive into editing each page and exploring the various functionalities available. Firstly, I will click on Done to finalize the current page. Here, we have a Welcome to Notion page. The first aspect we will address is moving text and to-do list around. Editing text is straightforward. Simply click anywhere on the text to bring up your keyboard and make changes as needed. However, to move an entire line of text, ensure that your keyboard is not activated. You can do this by tapping the icon on the right-hand side to minimize it. Once the keyboard is minimized, you can press and hold on a line of text to highlight it. Then move it to your desired location. For instance, I have moved this line to the top, but I can easily relocate it to the bottom. This method saves time and eliminates the need for retyping or copy-pasting. Let us move it back to the top by pressing and holding, then dragging it upward. As you can see, there are also to-do lists that we can interact with. Ticking off items on the list is simple. Just tap the box next to each item to mark it as completed. Similarly, you can uncheck items to remove the completed status. Now, let us suppose we want to add more content. We will navigate to the bottom, where the first option is the plus button. Tapping on it reveals a variety of elements that can be added known as blocks. These include text blocks, among others. When adding content to your pages, you have a variety of options available. You can insert standard text, create new pages, incorporate to-do list, those handy tick boxes, headings, bulleted list, numbered list, and much more. Additionally, you can visually separate blocks of content by inserting divider lines, which can help organize your page effectively. To remove a block, simply highlight it and press delete, and it will be removed from the page. Let me add another block to demonstrate the versatility. By clicking on the plus button, you will find a plethora of options to enhance your pages, including images, videos, which can be embedded from YouTube or Vimeo, and even embedded resources from Google Drive or Google Maps. Just provide the link and it will be seamlessly integrated into your page. Let us add another to-do list as an example. After clicking on to-do list, you can customize it to your preferences. Pressing return will create a new item in the list, and pressing return twice will cancel the list item and allow you to add a new block. Furthermore, you can modify existing blocks. For instance, if you initially input text but later decide to convert it into a bulleted list, you can easily do so by selecting the appropriate option. Similarly, you can switch between different block formats effortlessly. If you are collaborating with others and need to mention them, there is an option to tag individuals within your group. This feature facilitates communication and coordination within collaborative projects. To mention a person, page, or date within your content, simply type the @ symbol followed by the relevant keyword. For instance, if you have a page name, new exclamation mark, Notion will automatically recognize it and suggest it as you start typing. Selecting it will insert a link to that page, allowing others working on the project to access it easily, provided they have permission. Adding images and comments is straightforward as well. If you remove the @ symbol, you will notice the comment icon. Clicking on it allows you to leave a comment related to a specific point or task. For example, you could mark something as urgent and send the comment. Once sent, the comment will appear on the right-hand side. You can expand it to view the entire conversation, similar to a message board. This feature enables seamless communication among team members akin to platforms like WhatsApp, allowing discussions specific to each part of the project. Furthermore, if you wish to delete an entire list, simply press delete and the entire line will be removed. Additionally, you can easily change the style of text as needed, providing further flexibility in formatting your content. To modify text, simply double-click on it to highlight the entire line. This action will prompt text options to appear, allowing you to bold, italize, underline, or strike through the text. Additionally, you can create a link by selecting the text and choosing the link option. This enables you to link to other pages within the Notion or external websites of interest. After minimizing the keyboard, you will find more options by clicking on the three dots in the top right-hand corner. Here, you can access style options such as the default style to serif or mono. You also have the ability to lock the page to prevent future edits, copy the link to the page for sharing purposes, view the page history and edits, or delete the entire page. In the menu, located on the left-hand side, you will find further options such as notifications and settings. You can enable mobile push notifications for app alerts and set a password for the project to maintain privacy within work progress. If you wish to utilize Notion's enterprise solution for collaborative work, you can do so by clicking on the three dots and selecting Join or Create a Workspace. Notion offers a free version for individual use, but to collaborate with others, you will need to opt for the team version. It is important to note that while you can start using Notion for free, there are paid options available for more advanced features and collaborative work. Collaborating with others in Notion is a powerful tool, allowing teams to organize projects effectively. Notion offers a range of useful tools for individuals to create to-do lists, manage projects, and more. Be sure to check out the links in the description for additional helpful information and videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more content like this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one.